Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to edit and manage your lists at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to get logged in. Just click the login button. And we're already logged in, so it's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. And we're going to get rid of that. Let's go full screen. We're going to be working with the list button, but quickly let's go to the website button. This is our website builder. You can add a page, you can add a post, edit a page, add or edit a post. You can do page templates. You can change the appearance with the theme and settings. And then also, quickly, let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. Down at the bottom, every website comes with a newsletter sign up right here. So when people sign up for your newsletter, they're going to go to your lists. And that's what we're talking about today. So let's tab back over on Connect. And this time, let's go to the list button right here. And right now, this takes you to your subscribers on your main list. So to view all of your lists, you're going to click on the list button. We only have one list right now. This is our main list. We have 10 subscribers. Let's go ahead. We're going to create a new list here. We're going to call it Hikers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out of our main list, we're going to segregate all the hikers out, and we're going to create a new list here. And there's our hikers. And then also we can go to this manage button on the hikers. If we want to make this, we can go to the settings right here. And we can change the list name right here if we want to call it something else. So we'll say hikers 2. Let's go ahead and edit that, and let's make it our default. So you just go to the specific list, go to here, and then change the name and the default. Click update, and then now go back to our lists, and you can see hikers 2 is now our default list. And then go back to our main list. We can manage that one here, and then when you go back to settings, and then this is main. Let's go ahead and make this back to our default. Again, we can adjust the name here, but we're going to make that our default. We're going to update and go back to lists, and now the main list is the default. The default is important because when you send an email right here, and we have tutorials on this, when you send an email, you're going to have a sender, and well, you're going to have to pick which list you want it to go to. So whichever list is marked as default, that's where you're going to send your emails to. So before you have send emails, if you have more than one list, make sure you know which list you're sending to by marking it as your default list. And one other thing, while we're talking about tutorial help, let's go to the help button. And this is a good place to go to watch featured tutorial videos. Also, you'll notice, let's go back up here to our list button. Also, you'll notice down here is the support button right here. If you need any help, just click the support button and type in your name and your email address. And what can you help you with? I need help with lists. And you're just going to click send. And then that goes to our, that creates a support ticket, and then somebody will answer that for you on the support ticket. So let's go ahead and go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to edit and manage your lists at Dataczar Connect.